Today, I would like to recommend a global cloud mining contract company, New Era. New Era currently has more than 10 self-built mines and cooperative mines worldwide, and strategically signed sources of supply to give priority to New Era. New Era builds a global clustered mine management concept to effectively diversify user risks and ensure the stable operation of the platform. Compared with other wealth management and fund products, cloud mining has the same fixed deposit cycle, lower subscription threshold and higher returns. As the world's leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem, New Era North America Mining integrates more than 19 countries and regions around the world, has more than 800,000 mining machines, and supports ASIC. POSCHPs and other computing power. Lower the threshold for investors. 150,000 people are mining online at the same time. The advantages of the New Era Cloud Mining smart contract can ensure that the services it provides to customers are true and reliable. The first is the safety of funds. All user assets in the New Era are guaranteed by New York Life Insurance Company. The second, anti-risk, is strong. The mines that New Era cooperates with are all compliant mines, and policy risks are greatly reduced. Third, the scale is huge. New Era manages hundreds of thousands of mining machines, and mines are located in 19 countries around the world, and are less affected by accidental disasters such as force majeure. Fourth, the income is stable, the funds are safe. 500 TRX will be given for registration, and the contract will be activated. After the 3-month cumulative recharge reaches 500 TRX, 30% of the income of the basic wallet can be withdrawn every month. 5. Development subordinate recharge, minimum recharge 5 TRX, to reach 500 people. After 3 months, you can withdraw 30% of the basic wallet's income. You can also get recharge rebates and get more rewards, and the company will hire you to become the company's overseas sales director with a salary and bonus. There are many options, but the New Era must be your best choice for cloud mining. If you want to join cloud mining, please choose a safe and reliable company carefully. If you want to learn about the New Era, please click on the link below the video to learn more.